So the DJI Matrice 30T thermal camera is really quite good, okay? So if I turn on the infrared here and look a bit around, you can immediately see these yellow and almost white dots are people. So let's go ahead and find that. Zoom in, see, that's it. And then you can find them. Oh, that's quite cool. So you can also duplicate the screen here. So you can literally see here, tap on the screen and see how cold it is. Here's -1. So the earth is in general quite warm. But actually where I'm standing now, it's also frosty. So, but let's see, for example, here, -4. The -3. If we go up. And then here, -10. So it's immediately much cooler.